Hey there, welcome back. This is Chand once again, and let's continue our journey and we will check making decision with operators. Now proceeding further, in our last video we have simply checked the equal to and the not equal to operator. So in here there are a couple of more interesting operators. So the first operator which we will discuss is the less than operator. For example, if I say 4 is less than 5. Now what is this condition? This condition falls to be true, right? So for example, in here we type in sysout and we type in true. Now if the condition is true, then only the string true would be printed on the console. And let us add a else statement again, and we will type in false in our else statement. Alright, so this seems to be good enough, and I suppose it is giving us some warning dead code. Alright, so this is dead code indeed, and I will let you know why this is a dead code in couple of minutes. So in here this will give us a true statement, which is perfect. Alright, so moving forward, let us make use of variables in here. So I will say x equals to maybe 4, and then we will add in a yet another variable in the same line, in fact, and we will say y equals to maybe 5, and then we will make use of these variable in order to make decisions. So we will say if x is less than y, and as soon as I save the program, the warning will vanish. And the reason is pretty simple. If we are making use of, for example, 4 is less than 5, then this condition is always true. There is no probability that this particular condition will be false, right? But if we make use of variables, then the value in the variable may vary time to time. Now this was the reason why we were getting the warning by Eclipse. So moving forward, let us check the condition, and the condition is true, and as a result we are getting the output as true. Alright, so this seems to be good enough. Now for example, if we increase the value of x by 1 and make it 5, so now x and y both contains the value 5. So now whether this condition would be true or false, let us think for a second. Are you able to guess the correct result? I guess so that you have predicted the correct result. Let me execute this, and the output is false. Why false? Because x is not smaller than y, right? Because both of these variables now has value 5, right? Now in order to get a condition like if x is less than or equal to y, there is a yet another operator, and this operator is less than equals to. So now if we execute this program, then the condition would be true. Likewise, we also have this particular operator which is strictly greater than operator, and in this operator we would be comparing left hand side with right hand side, and if the left hand side operand is greater than the right hand side operand, then definitely the operation is true. Let us check this real quick. Let us make x as 6, then this condition would be definitely true. Let me check. So the condition is true. Let me add equal to again. Now again the condition is true. How the condition is true? Because x is either greater than or equal to y. Definitely the condition is true. So the condition is true. Let me make y as 6. Again the condition should be true because now x and y are same, and for example if I make y as 7, then definitely the condition would be false and the false part would get executed. So this was overall idea about less than, greater than, and less than equal to and greater than equal to operator. So pretty simple operator and easy to use operator. So this was it for today's video, and I will catch you in the next video with a new explanation.